The Deora started life as a 1965 Dodge A100, one of those boxy cab-over pickups that Chrysler rolled out in the early 60s. But brothers Mike and Larry Alexander, Detroit's go-to custom car builders, had a vision to turn this workhorse into something wild. They teamed up with designer Harry Bentley Bradley, a guy who'd been sketching bold ideas for General Motors and later helped shape Hot Wheels' iconic look. In 1964, the trio got to work, aiming to create a showstopper for the 1967 Autorama. Their goal? Build a pickup that didn't just stand out, but rewrote the rules of what a truck could be. First, they gutted the A100 stock cab, chopping the roof, sectioning the body, and channeling it to drop the whole thing closer to the ground. The result was a sleek, 57-inch tall beast, 15 inches lower than the original. The Deora's most jaw-dropping feature? No side doors? Instead, you climb in through the front, where the windshield lifts up and a lower gate swivels out. The steering wheel swings out of the way, letting you slide into contoured bucket seats wrapped in pleated leather. It's like stepping into a spaceship, complete with gauges tucked into the driver's side door and a center console holding the speedometer and tachometer. Bradley originally wanted a one-piece hatch, but the A100's flimsy pillars couldn't handle it. So the Alexanders engineered this slick split-door setup, pure genius. Under the hood, or rather, under the hard tonneau cover in the bed, the Deora kept the A100's 170 cubic inch slant-six engine, juiced up with twin carburetors to pump out about 101 horsepower. The engine and 3-speed manual transmission were shifted 15 inches back to make room for the cab-forward design. To lower the chassis, the Alexanders raised the front frame rails, ran the springs through the axle, and swapped in industrial shocks. They even threw in some Ford flair, using 1964.5 Mustang taillight bezels for side vents and Thunderbird sequential turn signals hidden under a wood veneer rear panel. The gold paint, dubbed candy gold, gave it a futuristic glow that screamed, "Look at me." When the Deora debuted at the 1967 Detroit Autorama, it was a sensation, snagging 9 awards, including the prestigious Riddler Award, the holy grail of custom car shows. Chrysler loved it so much they leased it for 2 years to tour with their factory concept cars, showing it off across the US. After its show circuit days, it went into storage until 1998, when Al Davis's son pulled it out and Bradley helped restore it to its original glory. It strutted its stuff again at the 2002 Autorama for the show's 50th anniversary, and later sold at a 2009 California auction for $324,500, a steal for a legend. In 2024, the Hagerty Drivers Foundation added it to the National Historic Vehicle Register, cementing its place in automotive history with a display on the National Mall in Washington, D.C. from September 22nd to 24th.